GP Pole, and alongside the number 20, the number 21, his teammate at the Trinity Yamaha SRT, Franco Morbidelli. Marc Marquez could only manage third. He is the oldest man on that front row. The first time that's ever happened to Marquez since he entered the MotoGP category. And today, Davizioso, your championship leader, starts P4 alongside him, Maverick Vinales, who managed to recover a pretty poor weekend by his standards. Kyle Crutchlow starts P6, despite a fast-oil crash in FP3 earlier on in the day. Danilo Petrucci topped FP3, and he'll be starting P7 for tomorrow's race. Alongside him, Taka Nakagami and Alex Rins, your winner at Kota 3 weeks ago. Pecco Bagnaia just edged out his mentor, Valentino Rossi, to get into Q2 from Q1. He starts P10 alongside him. Jorge Lorenzo on his birthday starts P11. He crashed towards the end of qualifying, and Juan Mir starts P12. Heading back into P13, and there is the doctor, Valentino Rossi, who misjudged things to be stuck in Q1 alongside him. Team HRC test rider and wildcard for this race, Stefan Bradl and Jack Miller, who we expected a lot of, also failed to get out of Q1. We're slowly starting P15. The two Espargaro brothers start 16th and 17th, the Lake just ahead of Pole, and Johan Zarco, his woes continue aboard the factory KTM, the Frenchman starting P18. He starts alongside former KTM rider, now the Aprilia wildcard Bradley Smith. But Tito Rabat ran out of gas, quite literally, at the end of Q1. The Spaniard starts P20, alongside him his teammate Karel Abraham in 21st, Miguel Oliveira and Happy Shah in the two Tech 3 teammates in 22 and 23, and Andrea Iannone possibly might not take part in the race tomorrow. We'll give you an update if and when we hear it. He suffered a big crash towards the end of qualifying. We were seen being carried into his pit box. He then went to the medical centre for an x-ray to check if there are any broken bones in it. So we are 4 rounds into the MotoGP World Championship, and already we have most certainly one of the stories of the year. The first time an independent team has had a 1-2 in qualifying since Tech 3 did it at the Saxony back in 2002. The first time ever that a team has done it in their debut year. Fabio Quartararo ahead of Franco Morbidelli. We can see behind me just how much it means to the team. This is an entirely new project. It is such a young team as well. Now, before qualifying, we talked about the fact that the Tech 3 Yamaha is not Tech 3 Yamaha, well, it was a Tech 3 Yamaha, now it's a Trinity Yamaha SRT, was a relatively easy bike to ride, but when you're setting the fastest ever lap around that circuit, as Quartararo did, that takes time.
You need talent. And I'm really surprised about this. Of course, he was just following Vinales. He was getting some ground on Vinales, and he was able to put in that to keep that pace and